The South Korean horror drama Squid Game has become Netflix's biggest show ever. It was released in mid-September, but it's still fresh in everyone's mind. In this gory game show, a group of contestants face off against each other in an attempt to win a cash prize. There are a few recognizable costumes that can be easily replicated. All you need is a green numbered tracksuit for contestants and a red jumpsuit with a mask for guards. Another option is to be the mysterious black man on the sidelines watching the match unfold. Halloween is right around the corner, and we can expect to see plenty of Squid Game costumes at this year's Halloween celebration. The good news is that the costumes for Squid Game characters aren't too complicated. You can certainly assemble your own, and if you don't have the time to do it yourself, online stores offer completed versions. In today's video, we are going to see how to dress Squid Game costumes for Halloween and where you can get these items too. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video and shop for more suggested picks. Idea 1. Participants' Costume. It would be great fun to dress up as any of the Squid Game participants this Halloween. A teal green tracksuit and white trainers are the simplest outfits you can put together. But it makes a big impression, particularly if you're going to a party with your friends. Characters are separated by their numbers, which are easy to recreate with iron-on patches. If you're looking for this contestant outfit, then you can try this SPCOSPLAY Squid Game cosplay costume, which is perfect for both men and women. Made with 100% polyester, this costume is soft and smooth, so you will be able to wear it even after Halloween. For footwear, this Superga Unisex classic sneaker might be a great choice for you. Idea 2. Guard Costume. There are no better costumes than the red-clad guards' tracksuits. Their jumpsuits are red with black belts and hoods, and they zip up the front. The masks don't have numbers on them, but they wear freaky black face masks adorned with triangles, circles, or squares. Their weapons are also large and violent. Despite being a little more challenging, you can still make the costume on your own. With a red jumpsuit, gloves, and a mask, this unnerving costume is one you have to wear with some attitude. It is the first thing fencing masks and red coveralls have ever looked so sinister. Masks are the only thing that distinguishes guards from one another. Make your choice wisely: circle, triangle, or square. All of the Halloween essentials are included in this set. If you're going for the guard look this year, then you can try this Pellucicnso Unisex Squid Game Costume jumpsuit, which also comes with masks. Choose your favorite mask according to your choice. Idea 3. Frontman Mask Costume. The game isn't just about fighting and strategizing for the lives of the players. There's more going on behind the scenes. From behind this craggy mask, there's a mysterious frontman. He commands the guards. For those seeking a low-key look, this is the ideal choice. Making his costume is probably the most challenging. His attire consists of an eccentric black mask with sharp angles and a long coat and gloves. With this frontman mask, you can frighten people this Halloween. You probably have a black jacket in your closet, and that will work for the frontman costume. You can wear this generic Squid Game mask man. You will be the mysterious character in this black mask and hooded coat. Idea 4. Red Light Green Light Girl Costume. As part of the very first game, viewers play the red light and green light with an unsettling twist. After she says red light, the robot-sized little girl swings around, watching for those who move. Moving is of course a fatal disaster. The rule looks harmless, but if you do not follow it, it will take you down. In other words, it competes with creepy dolls like Chucky and Annabelle. This outfit is both simple and cool. You can achieve this look by wearing an orange dress over a yellow skirt with some knee-high socks. This TOPONSKY casual t-shirt long-sleeve swing dress might be the exact copy of the doll's dress. The dress is soft and breathable enough to wear even after Halloween. As a blouse, you can try this Squid Game doll solid yellow blouse to wear under the bright orange dress. Pairing it with the dress will make your fall days more warm and cozy. For knee-length socks, try this Leg Avenue Opaque Satin Ruffle trim, and this TNGNEST Mary Jane shoes are fully black and will complete your look. So these are the style tips about how to dress Squid Game costumes for Halloween. Hope you'll be benefited from this video and follow these ideas to dress like the character of your favorite series.
Thanks for watching! Like, comment and share it with your friends if you found this video useful. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for further updates.